With the recent price action that we've been seeing in the crypto market, I thought I'd make a video on the 3 ways you can better prepare yourselves for a crypto bull market. But before that though, I do want to say that this video isn't intended to be financial advice, but rather just some general ideas that I wish I had known myself prior to entering my first bull market. For myself, I've been in the crypto space since early 2017 and have experienced 2 bull and bear markets, and so I think the tips that I'm about to share in this video will greatly help you out. This is especially true if you are new. That said, let's get started. So the first idea is that crypto exchanges from time to time will go down due to extreme volatility or website traffic. Exchanges can sometimes go down when the price is either climbing parabolically or dumping extremely. In either instance, you'll want to be prepared for that should you see a price that you'd like to buy in at but can't. Now, the only solution that I can think of is to have an account with multiple exchanges or platforms, because at the time that you want to buy the most will be the same time when others want to buy as well, and thus causing the exchange that you're using to halt trading. This is why if you have a backup or even 2 backup exchanges to use, you can better mitigate that risk of buying in at a certain price. For myself, I primarily use Ndax and Bitget. As for my backup, I've got Bitunix. If you're interested in using either one of these exchanges or platforms, I'll leave some sign up links in the video description where you can get yourself some sign up bonuses with them. Now, the second idea is regarding funding. So this is similar to the first idea that the exchange can halt trading due to extreme traffic and demand. Not only can exchanges experience this, but so can financial institutions. This may be due to maintenance or technical errors. In 2021, during the bull market, from time to time, people would have issues with funding via e-transfer because of an error on their bank's end. This meant that funding one's crypto account to buy was practically impossible. That said, here are a few solutions or workarounds to this. The first solution would be to have funds on the exchange if you don't already do that. By having your funds on the exchange, this means that you're ready to buy whenever, assuming that the exchange is fully operational and doesn't halt trading. The second solution would be to have an account with different banks. I personally have an account with 4 financial institutions. Simply, Tangerine, and PC Financial are all no-fee banks, and I've set up RBC in a way that I don't have to pay for their monthly fee. I'm positive that you can set up an account with any of the big 5 banks so that you don't have to end up paying a monthly fee. This way, you have more options when it comes to funding your account should one of them fail. As a side note, another advantage of having multiple bank accounts is that you can circumvent the daily and monthly e-transfer limits from a single financial institution should you wish to buy more in a day. You can always move money around accounts physically, as cash withdrawal limits are separate from e-transfer limits. Now, you may be thinking about wire transferring money, but the issue with a wire transfer is that they only get processed during bank business hours. This means you're out of luck on weekends and holidays. Not only that, they're not as quick as e-transfers, which means there's a high chance that you will miss out on a certain desired price. Now, the last tip is for those who are gutsy enough out there and are wanting to buy more than you have in available funds. This would mean using a line of credit to margin buy in some sense. You can definitely margin buy on Bitget, but if you're wanting to margin buy even more, but with no forced liquidation, you're best to apply for a line of credit now, unless you're pre-approved for one, as getting one can take some time to process. I've actually made a video on how you can get a crypto loan. If you're interested, I'll leave a link to that video in the video description if you're interested. I will say though that there are risks with this as you're using borrowed money, so be wise about how you use it. Now, I do want to give a bonus tip, and that's more so for those using either Bitget or Bitunix and people who are a little bit more advanced. For those people who are using these exchanges, perhaps have some USDC or USDT in a private wallet where you can send off to either exchange should you not be able to buy USDC for whatever reason. So there you have it. Those are the 3 tips I wish I had known during my first crypto bull market. Hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.